I'm going to install and configure Apache Web Server on Ubuntu Mate 20.04, and let's start. Let's go to the terminal first and let's check what is the configuration of this system. Yes, it's a quite normal system with i7 processor and about 2 GB of RAM. Now, before installing web server, Apache Web Server, let's update it. Let's install. Let's put the root password. Now it's working. And now let's install Apache apt package manager. Let's put Y for yes. And it's progressing. And 97% is done. Yes, it's successfully installed. Let's see what version of Apache is installed in our system. Apache version, yes, it's Apache 2.4.41 for the Ubuntu system. So now let's configure the firewall to get the traffic in from our Apache server. F. List, what are the list here? It's Apache here, Apache full, Apache secure. Yes. Now we'll use a highly restricted profile Apache and to enable network connectivity on port 80. Let's do this sudo ufw allow. I think this one is okay. Yes, rules updated. Now it's okay for us. Another thing, let's check the firewall status. To ufw status is inactive now. It's fine. Let's configure Apache Web Server. Before doing that, let's go to our web browser and let's check to our localhost. It's working or not. Yes, it's working at the moment. Now let's minimize this and we're going to configure something now.